Hi folks, welcome back to ECS Coffee. Jack here, and you may be wondering, Jack, why are you doing a video randomly, out of the blue, unboxing the Philips 5400 series? Not like it's particularly new or something crazy or exciting. It's kind of just a random video, and I have an answer for that. See, the reason is I came in here tonight on my own to film a very important comparison video. And then when I set everything up, I realized I don't know how to film the very important comparison video. I know nothing about the machines, and it would be a bad idea. So, I'm not doing that. I'm doing this instead because I can open a box. That's for sure. Ignore the machines here. We just don't have any more space for machines, and I don't want to clean them up. But if you want, you can come buy them and give us your money if it really bothers you having these here. But we'll just push them to the side. Anyways, Philips 5400 series machine. I chose this because everything is written on the box. I'm pretty sure this is the front of the box, but if you turn it around, the back of the box also looks very nice. It's got a lovely picture and the same, block of information here, which would suggest that it might be the front of the box, but there's more writing here on the back. The stuff that says it has an intuitive display, a coffee customizer, aroma extract system, and an extra shot. See, ain't that just nifty? Look, it's got a 2-year warranty through Philips, and yeah, so let's open it up. Yeah, I have a knife. Okay, so we're just gonna cut the tape up here and not slip like the knife just did there. So 1 cut, 2 cut, and 3 cut. Now I want to preface this by saying I have no idea what will be in this box. I don't know what comes with Philips machines. This is going to be a surprise to you and me. I don't know, I just hand gestures backwards. To you and me. It could just be the machine. This could be a very, very quick and boring video. I could just pull the machine out and then that's it. Although there is one thing I do remember about Philips machines, and it is that they have this, it's kind of cool, it's kind of pain in the butt, packaging. So it's this just thick corrugated cardboard. I guess all cardboard is corrugated, but extra corrugated cardboard. It's thick, it's big. I'm sure it protects the machine well, but oh boy, is it a pain. To come out, it's not too bad if I recall, but putting it back together, if you want to put it back together like I do, is a bit of a pain. So we've got this section on the top here. We're going to try to take this out. It looks like, is this a box? Okay, so this is a box inside the box, and we can slide this box out. Yes? No? Okay, it's stuck. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the whole clunking thing out of the box. So we're gonna sit the box on the ground where you can't see it. So if I break something, it's not on camera. And we're gonna grab the whole darn thing. And that was just the cardboard. So this bit goes on top, if you're curious. And then this box falls out. So in this box here, let's see what we've got. We have, boom, I figured it out. Power cable, super useful. Let's hit turn on. We've got the drip tray, also handy. The machine looks pretty ugly without it because it's just a big gaping black void of plastic. In here we've got a scoop as well as, looks like some espresso machine grease or something in the tube. I assume it's just for maintenance. I don't really know what that stuff is for, but there's a little tube of it here, We've also got the manuals, and I think it's just gonna be the manuals left in here. Yeah, so manuals. Otherwise, nothing in this fun little box thing that goes on top. So we're gonna chuck that away. So that's what's on the top. Next up, we've got this super handy thing that Philips likes to do, where they put like half a shopping bag around their machine. So it makes it easy to lift out. So you grab onto it and you lift, and boom, it's like it's in a bag. You just gotta make sure it doesn't slip right out from underneath you. So that just flaps down like that. And then we've got this extra section on the front here. So in this extra section, we have, I believe it is either part of the milk system or maybe I'm just dumb and it's something else. We have, how does it open? See, I'm going through this trouble so that when you get it out of the box, when you buy this machine inevitably, you can show people, you can put on a show and say, look at how quick I'm gonna be opening this box, because I know exactly how to open this box, and don't tell them why. Oh, it's the LatteGO system, right? I forgot that this machine has LatteGO, despite the fact that I already said it at the beginning of this video. So this is the LatteGO system. It slaps around the front of the machine and does the, LatteGO stuff with the milk and everything and automation. And then we've got this block here. I assume this is a filter, but it is an unmarked bag. I'm gonna say this is a filter. And then we've got an AquaClean thing. Yeah, AquaClean protects the machines. Yeah, so it's an AquaClean filter. That's a little info card for it. Nothing else in here, chuck it away. And that's all that's in this big box. So this big box is now empty. We do not need it anymore, but you should hang on to it if you buy one, because if something goes wrong, you need to send it back for warranty or return it or anything, then it'd be really awkward to send it in like random cardboard or in like a shopping bag. So we suggest you keep the box for a little bit at least, until you're certain that you're keeping the machine and that you don't have to send it back for anything. This is some very soft wrappage. I don't know what this material is called. I've seen it before, but this is the softest variant of it I think I've seen. It's very, very soft. I feel so fancy. Way to go, Phillips. Boom. So this comes right off. And then here's your machine, brand new. Please select drink. It's got all the stuff on the top. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So you get your drip tray from right here. You'd slap that on the base and the drip. And then that's pretty much it. So you've got your LatteGO system here, you've got your drip tray, and you've got the power cable and filters. Nothing crazy extra. It is a super auto, so there's not gonna be, a portafilter or yada yada, grinder bins and stuff. This is all self-contained. The only thing extra really is the LatteGO system, so that's the only thing you gotta be on the lookout for. But of course it'll be in there. So just make sure you don't throw away the LatteGO system with the box recklessly, and you should be good, but I don't expect you to be that reckless. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to get this out of the box so you guys know how it works. This is a pretty popular machine, and there's not a lot of content we have on it yet. So I figured we should get another video out, other than a review. Anyways, I've been Jack. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna try to put this back in the box. Probably gonna fail miserably, and we'll have a new floor model. Yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.